Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rukia Laltia. So on today's video I'm going to do my daily routine. So the first thing, I usually wake up around 5 to 6, but today I woke up 6. So I'm going to brush my teeth and then I'm going to take my wudu because I need to pray Salat al-Fajr. So I'm one of those people, Salat al-Fajr is the hardest and difficult to pray. Subhanallah, may Allah guide us. I'll go to the bathroom and then stay on my face because I had a huge accident and that's why I have 2 black spots on my forehead. They even had to stitch me, but alhamdulillah, I'm doing good. Then I'll go to pray Salat al-Fajr, and then once I'm done, I'll recite a bit of Quran and make a bit of istighfar. Then I'll go back to sleep. If I don't have to go to school or to go to work, I'll sleep till 10 or 11 a.m. So on this day, there we go, Rukia. I woke up 10 a.m. as usual. It doesn't matter if somebody's coming to my place or not, I will always have to do my bed. Like, oh my goodness, like I'm just, how do you say, an OCD person. I always want to make my things to look perfectly. Open up the windows, then freshen up my room with this beautiful accent, wood and vanilla. Like it smells incredible good. Moving to the hallway, then I'll go and spray all my fake plant. This is the way I make my house to smell incredible good the whole day. Like guys, this is my daily routine. Like I always want my house to smell good. Then I'll open up the windows. Then afterwards I will water my inside plants. So usually I water my inside plants once in a week, and then I also have plants in my balcony. I water them 2 times in a week, but on this day it rained, so I didn't water my outside plants. Then afterwards I'll dry my utensils. I usually prefer to wash my utensils at night. Like when I'm super tired, that's when I'll wash them in the morning, but I prefer to wash them in the evening, and then in the morning just drying them up and place them in the cabinets. So when I'm done, if I'm supposed to marinate a fish, meat or chicken, I prefer to marinate it early in the morning so that the spices can blend in. So on today's dinner, I'll be making lemon pepper wings. This recipe is already on my YouTube channel. Like these chicken wings, like my goodness, they taste incredible good. Like you guys have to try out. Then once I'm done, I just cover it and place it in the fridge, then continue with the rest of the households. Of course, I'll clean up the place and then start with my cleaning. So then I'll start cleaning my house, like basic things. It's a daily routine vlog, it's not a cleaning vlog. So I'll start with the kitchen area by cleaning my sink with this antiqual product. Like this product, I'm super content about it. I've been living in Belgium and I'm using this, oh my goodness, with 2 sprays, and it will leave your sink blinking like a mirror. Once I'm done, then I'll go to my living room. I'm out of oats, guys, so I'll be using this diffuser. Just add some water with some oat and vanilla in it, and I'll leave it to work for like 6 hours. You have an option for 1, 3 or 6 hours, but I usually prefer to use the 6 hours because I want my house to smell good. So moving on, I'll just go and clean my coffee table, then afterwards a vacuum. I can vacuum almost every day. Then once I'm done, I'll go to the toilet and clean the toilet. The toilet, I usually wash it 3 times in a week, and if I have people, I can wash it every day. Once I'm done, I'll go to the bathroom, take a shower and get ready. And these are the things which I usually use. Like these are just basic things, of course, lotion, face cream, body spray, and some deo, and of course a perfume, and just wear my normal cloth, just a casual cloth. So I'm one of those people who skip breakfast. Like I don't like eating breakfast. My breakfast and lunch will be combined together. So on this day, I just decided that I will make some samosa. I usually always have samosa in my deep freezer, like always like it's a must. And of course with a tea, I cannot miss a tea. Having an East African blood and tea with me, oh my goodness. So I'm out of my Kenyan tea bag, so I'll be using this English black breakfast. It tastes the same as the Kenyan tea. And of course with 2.5 minutes I have my chai masala, and I'll be heading into my living room, of course, with some chili, lemon and ketchup. Like this combination, if you're eating samosa, you combine these three things together, oh my goodness, like it slaps. It tastes incredible good, like I mean it. And yeah, here we are, done with our breakfast and lunch food, and of course clean up the place. And I will wash my utensils immediately because I hate piling utensils, and then by the end of the day you'll just have a sink which is full, and of course the place will just be smelling. That's not me. And once I'm done, I'll clean up the sink, and then it's around 1:30. I'll be praying Salat al-Dhuhr. Like guys, no matter what you're going through, you always have to pray. It's so important. Once I'm done praying, I'll go and make this iced coffee. This recipe, I got it from this beautiful lady. Her name is Fatma Ahadi. I know you guys know her, but this iced coffee slaps so hard. For personally, I didn't have a good coffee, but if I have a Nescafe coffee, I think it's gonna slap so hard. Of course, with my iced coffee, I'll go to my living room, read some novels plus podcasts. I love podcasts. And then it's already Asri. I'll go and pray my Asri prayers. Like time are flying so hard. Like you just wake up in the morning and it's ready 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, it's high time to make our dinner. The chicken wings that we marinated in the morning, so at this moment the spices have already blended in very well, and then dipping them into the air fryer to get that crispiness, like the crispiness, yeah, and then drizzling with this lemon butter sauce. Oh my goodness guys, it slaps so hard. Like they were so tasty. And of course me, Rukia, because I'm on a tight diet, in the evening I usually don't like to eat heavy. Just chicken wings with Vimto is one of my favorite drink. I know it contains a lot of sugar, but this is one of my childhood favorite drink. And then as you can able to see the crispiness, the softness, like inside it was soft and then the outside was, oh shit guys. Anyway, as you can see in the video, me enjoying my dinner. So once I'm done eating my dinner, you'll always find me watching a movie till 8:30, and once it's Maghrib, I'll go and pray Salat al-Maghrib, and then it's tea time. It's a must. I can't skip this one. It's either tea or I will make Milo drink with some cookies. Of course, it's not healthy, but it's a must. Like tea, I have to eat tea. If I don't have cookies, then you'll just find me eating visheti. So that's me, Rukia, watching the movie, enjoying my tea, and of course once I'm done praying Salat al-Maghrib, I never take off my clothing prayers, because after 1 hour it's already Isha time. Then of course I will end my day praying my Isha prayers, then come back and watch movie till 12 or 1, and that's usually my daily routine vlog when I'm home. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and if you've enjoyed this vlog, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, do subscribe and share my videos, and follow me. Of course, I use Rukia Laltia on all my social media platforms, and see you next time. Bye bye.